Stay tuned for our latest installment of Swingin' Men Outdoors, brought to you by these fine companies: Swingin' Men Bait Company, Crappie Nut Rods, Cyclops Jigs, and Beyond Braid Line. Hey guys, Jeremy here, Darren with Swingin' Men Outdoors. Just got here, started off, look at them, 2 quality fish. We're going to take another batch of these rascals home. Fishing a little different area today. Got in out of the wind on a creek, and I'm using the old flapper in the moonshine. Darren's got a moonshine variation that we're kind of testing, but so far so good. So stick around. Let's go. Straight out. There we go. That's a good fish. Swing that one in. We don't need no net, no 2-pounders.
Long him in, boy.
2-pound crappies. Good. Oh man, oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, gotta swing it in. That's a 17-inch fish. Look at that, dude. Another 2, 2 1/4. Wearing them out, wearing them out. Looky here, looky here, looky here. Pow! That's a solid 2, 2 1/4. Hooked. Man, that thing is hooked. I thought I was going to lose it. Had Darren get the net out. He thought I was crazy. Straight out. There we go. That's a good fish. Swing that one in. We don't need no net, no 2-pounders.
Long him in, boy.
2-pound crappies. Good. Oh man, oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, gotta swing it in. That's a 17-inch fish. Look at that, dude. Another 2, 2 1/4. Wearing them out, wearing them out. We're both going after the same one.
Oh, it's going down under.
Just run them. Crazy fish, ain't they? There. Oh man, that's a toad. That is a toad fish. Wing him in on the old 15-footer. Look at that right there. Woo! Mercy. What a day. Cold front, big crappie, small baits, crappie nut rods, Cyclops jigs, swing 'em in bait plastics, beyond braid line. Hey guys, just finished up. What a day, epic day. Got here about 9:30, quarter to 10. Got on some fish early, started catching them. Man, talking about a beat down. I mean, these are some tanks. Look at that. 15-foot crappie nut rods all day long, beyond braid, can't beat it. That stuff is phenomenal. Pulling these fish out of the timber and the brush. Swing man bait plastics. No minnows were harmed in the making of any of this. And like I said, check us out. Right now we got a Swing 'em in Bait's got a deal going on, free shipping. Use JS10, save 10% on your order. And then as always, go to Beyond Braid and use Swing 'em in Bait Co. at checkout and save 10% on that. Hey guys, let's go. Day 2, Thanksgiving. Man, this beats duck hunting. This beats turkey any day. All right, guys. See you on the next one.
BEATDOWN! It's dangerous! Here we are!